Welcome back, money savers. Today, we have an amazing topic to discuss: how to save money on a tight budget. Whether you're a student, a young professional, or just looking to cut down on expenses, we've got you covered. So, let's dive right into our 10 top tips for saving money when every penny counts. Are you ready? Let's go. Tip number 1. Track your expenses. First things first, it's essential to track your expenses. Create a budget and keep a record of where your money is going. There are great budgeting apps available that can help you easily manage your finances. By doing this, you'll have a clear understanding of your spending habits and can identify areas where you can cut back. Tip number 2. Cut back on eating out. We all love dining out, but it can take a toll on our wallets. Consider reducing the number of times you eat out each month. Instead, cook your meals at home. Not only is it healthier, but it's also a great way to save money. You can find amazing recipes online, and meal prepping can save you time and effort too. Tip number 3. Embrace couponing. Couponing is your secret weapon for saving money. Keep an eye out for discounts, coupons, and special offers. You can find them in newspapers, online, or by subscribing to newsletters. Don't be shy to click those coupons and use them when you shop. Your savings will add up in no time. Tip number 4. Shop smart and thrift. When it comes to shopping, be a smart consumer. Compare prices, look for sales, and buy in bulk whenever possible. Thrift stores and consignment shops are also great options for finding affordable clothing, furniture, and other items. Remember, a little bargain hunting can go a long way. Tip number 5. Cancel unused subscriptions. Subscription services are convenient, but they can also drain your budget. Take a close look at your subscriptions and evaluate if you really need all of them. Cancel any that you no longer use or find cheaper alternatives. Trust me, it's worth it. Tip number 6. Reduce energy consumption. Saving money on utilities is not only good for your wallet but also the environment. Be mindful of your energy consumption by turning off lights when you leave the room, unplugging electronics when not in use, and adjusting your thermostat wisely. Small changes like these can result in significant savings. Tip number 7. DIY and repurpose. Get your creative juices flowing. DIY projects and repurposing items can save you a ton of money. Whether it's making your own cleaning products, refurbishing furniture, or repurposing old clothes, you'll be surprised by how much you can save while enjoying the satisfaction of creating something unique. Tip number 8. Use public transportation or carpool. Transportation costs can take a big chunk out of your budget. Consider using public transportation, carpooling with colleagues or friends, or even biking or walking. Whenever possible. Not only will you save money on gas and parking fees, but you'll also contribute to a cleaner environment. Tip number 9. Negotiate bills and services. Don't be afraid to negotiate. Call your service providers and see if you can get a better deal on your internet, cable, or phone bills. Loyalty doesn't always pay off, so compare prices and let them know you're considering switching providers. They may surprise you with a discounted rate. Tip number 10. Prioritize saving. Last but certainly not least, make saving money a priority. Set aside a portion of your income each month and put it into a savings account. Even if it's just a small amount, it will accumulate over time and serve as a safety net for unexpected expenses or future goals. And there you have it, folks. 10 fantastic ways to save money on a tight budget. Remember, it's all about making smart choices and being mindful of your spending. So, go ahead, implement these tips, and watch your savings grow. Until next time, stay frugal and fabulous. Bye.